Temu Ultrawide Monitor Review. In this video, I'll be reviewing the Temu Ultrawide Monitor. If you're looking to find a good ultrawide monitor and plan to save money, then this video is for you. So to get started, this monitor is ideal if you need more screen space. It's wide enough for multitasking. I could run multiple apps side by side without feeling cramped. It's also sharp enough for media viewing and casual gaming. But it's not the brightest screen out there, and the refresh rate isn't ideal for fast paced games. The plastic frame also feels a little cheap. That said, it's surprisingly functional for the price. Still, if you're looking for an affordable ultra-wide monitor for work or content, this one gives a lot of value for its price. It's not top tier, but it delivers on the basic. If you're a gamer or a video editor or a content creator like me, I do not suggest a monitor like this. And also, if you are playing high FPS games, as I think that these kind of apps or games and softwares would not work on such low priced screens. If you fit these professional criteria, I suggest that you get a branded one instead of a cheap one. It is always best to invest in branded ones when you are a professional gamer or video editor. And that is my review of the Temu Ultrawide Monitor.